here. We're gonna be sighting in the Ruger using the Remington Golden Bullet. Let's get started.
I'm gonna fire
What? Sweet. I just got back from the range doing the 22 long rifle ammunition comparison test, and I have some bad news. I was unable to do the 100-yard test because the day was very packed, and these guys next to me kind of ruined my day. I'm gonna call them tactical assholes, because this asshole set up his stuff right next to me. He rudely asked if he could use the bench, which we just had our stuff sitting on. But of course I let him use it, and I see him pull out an AR-15, and I'm like, oh shit, he's gonna start throwing brass at me. And at this range there are no brass catchers. So luckily I had just finished my 50-yard test with all the ammo, and as soon as he started shooting I could see that the brass was flying right at me. So I got very upset and that I couldn't finish the test, so I just packed up and left. This guy, I think he only bought the rifle because it was expensive, because I heard him say that the barrel alone was $400 and it was top of the line, so it better be good. But I don't know. I don't care. Well, let's get on with the results. It's pretty interesting testing different ammunition. I was kind of surprised at some of the results, and I guess I'll show you the results. Let me clear off some of this desk space right here so I can bring out the paper and show you. This is one of the weirdest malfunctions I've ever had. It was stuck like this, kind of, in the magazine, and the bolt had shut on it like this, so sticking up like that. I've never seen a malfunction like that in a Ruger. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this malfunction with this Remington Golden Bullet. The bullet, it didn't feed and got smashed. Here, let me eject this. Holy shit. Look at this. What the that's why I buy Federal. Just want to point that out. Okay, so first up is the, let me move the camera in. First up is the Winchester Super X 37 grain that printed a, this is average, a 1.087 inch group at 50 yards, and this is out of my Ruger 1022 with my Simmons 3-9x32 scope on it. So that was the Winchester. I have 0 failures or malfunctions with this. Pretty good. Next is the CCI mini mags. Everybody knows what these are. That was a 1.265 inch group. No malfunctions. Was a 40 grain solid copper jacketed bullet. Next is the Remington Subsonic. This was a really interesting round. It printed a 1.29 inch group. It was pretty interesting. I could see the bullet traveling and dropping as it was going here. You can see here's the two of the groups. You can see this, the point of aim was in the center and they all hit low. This is a very consistent vertical stringing, and then here's just a group down low. I was aiming in the center of the bullseye. So this is a, I believe, 40 grain, yeah, 40 grain solid, or no, hollow point, my bad, hollow point. Next up is the Thunderbolt, 1.609 inch group. This is a 40 grain solid lead bullet. Next is the Game Shock, Federal Game Shock, 40 grain copper jacketed. I really enjoyed shooting this cartridge. It felt nice. It felt very clean. Unlike some other rounds, this felt really nice to shoot, very smooth, and it printed a very nice group. If you can see right there, the average is a 1.001. Very nice ammunition. And then I was pretty surprised by the Remington Golden Bullet. That printed a 1.011 inch group, which is very close to that Game Shock, and this is a bulk pack of ammo. And in my last video I showed you guys how weird the bullets were. They weren't seated into the casings tightly at all, but I guess it shoots well. I used this to sight the scope in. I guess it's some good stuff. I would like to get a box of Federal and compare the two. So that was a Golden Bullet. And then the last one is the... Oh, and the Remington Golden Bullet had one malfunction, which was that weird bullet in the magazine. And the last one is the Federal Lightning. This one had 3 malfunctions. I think they were all stovepipes. Okay, I just want to show this fit here with the Federal Lightning stovepipe. But that printed a 1.578 inch group. So 3 malfunctions, doesn't seem to be too reliable. I would hope I'm hoping to go during this week, to go to the range during the weekday where it's going to be empty, so I can get the 100-yard test in and people won't be bugging me. So I hope to be able to get that done. And I just wanted to show, these are my best groups. This is with the Game Shock. I believe this, here, let me grab my other paper. This group is a .760 inch group. Very nice. And then this was with this was 10 shots when I was sighting in the rifle with the bulk pack of Remington Golden Bullet. And this is a .0945 inch group, these 5 right here. So I guess I'm pretty satisfied with the Remington Golden Bullet. It surprised me. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick look at all the targets. This is the Federal Lightning. Pretty nice groups. The Game Shock. The Winchester Super X. These were the Remington Thunderbolts. The Remington Subsonic. And the CCI Mini Mag. Stay tuned, you guys, for the 100-yard test with these ammunitions. And what else was I going to say? Stay tuned for more videos. Also, I'm putting up the M1 Garand videos, so you guys check my other videos out. And feel free to subscribe if you like my videos. And thanks for watching. Rock on.